Hey there, stop scrolling. I have something to tell you. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to simplify something so badly and so easily? You're in the right place. Welcome to Kezzy Deziigns, where creativity meets simplicity. I promise you, this isn't just another design brand. It's your go-to space for breaking down complex creative tools, solving everyday's computer problems, and exploring the world of design, editing, and tech the simple way. Whether you're just starting out as a graphic designer, or struggling with software issues or programs, or looking for tips on how to use your favorite apps, I've got you covered. I'll be sharing tutorials, quick hacks, and creative challenges and solutions that make the tech and design world feel a whole lot easier. No stress, no jargons, just real simplified creativity. Tap on that follow button, like and share, and stay locked in, because it's going to get really interesting. Because here at Kezzy Deziigns, we don't just create, we simplify. So stay creative, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the tutorials.